Creative that reinforces trust instead of creating noise. Creative has not lost its importance. It's lost its license to confuse. In the AI era, creative that relies on shock, urgency, or exaggeration often backfires, not because it's offensive, but because it introduces uncertainty. And AI does not reward uncertainty. For decades, advertising rewarded disruption. Standing out was assumed to lead to attention, and attention was assumed to lead to action. AI does not evaluate creative that way. It evaluates whether a message aligns with what is already known about a business. When creative conflicts with existing signals, AI hesitates. When it reinforces clarity, confidence increases. Trust-reinforcing creative shares a consistent posture. The tone is calm, the language is specific, the visuals are recognizable, the claims are proportionate. This type of creative feels like an extension of the business, not a performance. AI systems cross-check paid messaging against websites, reviews, and third-party mentions. When creative overreaches, it creates friction. When it confirms reality, it reduces perceived risk. Visuals play a supporting role. Highly stylized or dramatic imagery may attract attention, but it often dilutes meaning. AI interprets visuals contextually, not emotionally. Creative that reinforces trust prioritizes recognition over spectacle. It looks like business users would actually encounter. Being memorable is no longer the goal. Being recommendable is. AI surfaces brands that feel stable, coherent, and low risk. Creative that creates noise may be remembered, but creative that reinforces trust is far more likely to be surfaced. In the AI era, creative does not persuade, it confirms. And confirmation is what visibility is built on.